Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to tell you how to fix iPhone battery draining after iOS 18.2.1 update. The much awaited iOS 18.2.1 update is finally here, and while the update brings several exciting features, it has also caused many unexpected problems. One common issue users are reporting is that iOS 18.2.1 is draining their iPhone's battery, and some have even seen sudden drops in battery health. In this video, I'll tell you how to fix this issue. But before getting into the video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel and press the bell icon for more upcoming videos. So let's start the video without wasting any time. In the first step, I'm going to tell you how to enable low power mode. For this, open settings, tap on battery, enable the toggle for low power mode, and you're done. Now for the next step, I'm going to tell you how to check your iPhone's battery health. For this, open the settings app, go to battery health and charging. Check the maximum capacity of your iPhone's battery. It's a measure of its capacity compared to when it was new. Anything above 80% should be fine, but if it is lower than that, you should look for a replacement. And you are done. In the next step, I'm going to tell you how to turn off background app refresh. For this, open the settings app, then tap general, scroll down and tap background app refresh. Use the individual app toggles below to disable it for selected apps. If you want to disable it altogether, tap background app refresh, then tap off, and you are done. In the next step, I'm going to tell you how to remove widgets. Long press on any widget on your home screen. Tap remove widget on the menu that pops up and you can remove it. In the next step, I'm going to tell you how to disable location services. For this, open the settings app, scroll down, tap privacy and security, tap on location services, turn the location services toggle off, tap turn off, and you are done. And the next step is lower your brightness. For this, open the control center by swiping down from the upper right corner of the screen. Use the brightness slider to adjust the brightness, and you are done. Now in the next step, I'm going to tell you how to use dark mode. For this, open the control center by swiping down from the upper right corner of the screen. Long press on the brightness slider. Tap the dark mode icon to turn it on, and you're done. Now, in the next step, I'm going to tell you how to restart or reset your iPhone. For this, go to the settings, go to general, scroll down, tap transfer or reset iPhone, tap erase all content and settings, tap continue and follow the on-screen instructions to complete the process, and you're done. I hope this video will help you fix iPhone battery draining issue after iOS 18.2.1 update. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.